He's asking,
Okay.
is the tartan, it have to be a certain material? Can it be made in
Right.
cotton, silk, polyester?
To be called a tartan.
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah. No, that's an easy one. I thought he was asking us for a silk kilt. I was about to get all weird with that one. No, it does not have to be wool to be tartan. You can have acrylic fabric that is tartan. You can have polyviscose. You can have cotton. You can have silk.
As a matter of fact, I do have an image in our archive of a 19th century, I think it's a children's tartan suit, which is made from silk. So there's a kilt and jacket and everything, and it's all silk. So yeah, the material is relatively insignificant in from a technical standpoint. From a traditional standpoint and from an authenticity standpoint, your surest bet of making sure you're having really good tartan would be to buy Scottish wool, I suppose you could say. And you get the full effect of the tartan that way because you're also getting the interplay of the threads and the texture of the wool. You're getting how the light plays on it. You could say it's actually more satisfying to look at tartan that's been woven in wool as opposed to others, as opposed to like printed on polyacrylic. Like there are some companies now where you can get like your clan tartan on your pajamas or on a throw pillow or both, you know, and they're just basically they're doing a digital print of the tartan onto, you know, a synthetic fabric, and it's what you'd expect it to be. You know, it's fun, but it's not. It doesn't feel real or traditional. It's just like a nice, fun way of showing off your tartan. But the tartan is the graphic. It's not the material.
Yep. Tartan is defined as a pattern of intermingled warp and weft. It does not have to be wool to be real tartan. It can be whatever fabric it's made in.
Yeah.
To varying degrees of authenticity, I'll say it that way, where some are a little bit more tartan-esque, where they take a little bit of liberty with the warp and the weft being a touch different, or they might bastardize it a little bit. Like there's a ton of black watch where the single railroad or tram lines run this way and the double tram lines run this way.
Are you saying that when they're weaving it in silk, they'll change things slightly because otherwise it's going to look odd?
If I had to guess, it's more to do with the centering of the design on the bolt of cloth, depending on how wide it is, or it's what the client wants or what the designer who's putting it into the system, you know, wants to see in it. I don't think it's anything like a hard boundary of you must have this and this many colors this way and this many colors this way. It's more just, you know, at their whims, as it were.
Okay.
They're not necessarily they don't need to be authentic to sell it, but I don't think there's any technical reason why they have to have a warp and a weft different. So.
Okay.
Indeed, but silk kilt? No.
Not in this day and age.
No. That would be weird. It would blow up, or it'll be weird. So what do you guys think? What is the weirdest material you've ever seen tartan made out of? Let us know in the comments. If you want to see more of the content that we do, check out these other videos over here.